computer class. Today we are going to start with chapter 6 tables in MS Word part 4. In this video we are going to do a practical in MS Word. We will see in this video about the cell alignment, splitting of cell, merging of cells, formatting, table, etc. So let us start practical session. Children, first we will see working with alignment. I have created a data here. I have kept my cursor here. Then I will go on table tools, click on layout. Children, if I want this cell text to be on the left hand side or middle or bottom or anywhere, I have total 9 positions for placing a text in the cell. This is the alignment group. Go on this alignment group and there are total 9 positions for placing a text in the cell. So I will select the first one and observe the text which is given here. The text comes to the left hand side. If I will select second one, the text comes on the middle. If I want in center position, I will select the center position. This one I will select. The text come in the center position. In this way, children, you can change the alignment of the text in the cell. Now change position of text in a table. Children, if I want to change the direction of the text, I want in 90 degree or 180 degree, so I can click on this text direction. Observe, it is in horizontal manner. You can see, children, it is in the horizontal manner. Go on table tool, click on layout and click on text direction. In the alignment group, this is the text direction. Click on this text direction. Now you can observe, children, text came into the vertical manner. Again I will click on this text direction. Now the text came into the horizontal manner. So the children, the direction of the text can also be changed into this place. Now we will see the next part of the table, merge cell and split of cell. First we will see split of cell. Children, how do we split and merge all the cells? Let us see that. I have created some data here already, but if you observe, children, if I want to split the cell, children, if you observe, this is the heading of the table and I want this heading in the entire row. So how do I merge all the cells? Simply select the cells here. First you have to, like this, you have to select the cells, then go in the layout tab. This is the table tool, go on layout tab and go on merge group. This is the merge group, children. In the merge group, you can select merge cells. This is the merge cells option. Click on this merge cells option. Merge cell will merge all the cells in that selected area. Now if you observe, the cells are merged and I can see that is the heading of the table. Now this is the heading of the table, table of mark list. The next one is splitting cells. If, children, I want to split only this cell into multiple column. This result cell I want into the multiple column and multiple rows. How do I do that? So I will just keep my cursor in this cell. Like this, I will just keep my cursor in this cell, and if you want to split, you just click on this merge group. In the table tool, click on layout and this is the merge group and you can click on this split cell. This is the split cell option. Click on this split cell option. So if I click on the split cell, I will get the dialog box. This is the split cell dialog box, children. The dialog box says how many number of rows and columns you want. I will just increase it by 2, number of columns 2 and number of rows also 2, and I will click on OK button. You can see, children, the result cell is divided into 2 rows and 2 columns. In this way, children, you can split the cells. It's all for today. We will continue the same topic in the next video. Till then, bye bye.